Hello and welcome to Healthy Eats with me, Coach Natasha. So welcome to this new series I've started. First up, we're going to look at mason jars and how they're essential and you can use them. We're going to do some breakfast recipes I'm going to show you, and I'm also going to show you some salad recipes, so stay tuned for those. First up, we're going to do a baked oatmeal parfait. So the ingredients for this, we have blueberries, raspberries, honey for your sweetener, or you can use agave, chia seeds. We're going to use a coconut milk based yogurt, 1 banana, and I've already baked the oatmeal bar squares, and I will link that recipe in this video as well. Okay, so you want to have your pint mason jars, and for each pint mason jar I'm going to take a square of my oatmeal bake, break it down, put it into the bottom like so. So I'm just using 1 square. And after you put your baked oatmeal square into the bottom of the jar, we're going to go ahead and start layering it because we're making a baked oatmeal parfait. So I've used Greek yogurt before. You can definitely use Greek yogurt if you'd like, but this is going to be with coconut milk yogurt instead, okay? So after you do that, you're going to take your coconut milk, place it on top. What I'm going to do is I'm covering up the base, which is the baked oatmeal bar. So it's about a 1/4 cup I'm using for each jar. And remember, we're layering this. Okay, I'm going to move that over. And then after you're done, you're going to start adding your blueberries. I use my spoon. So we're going to start putting your blueberries in. Simple, easy recipe. Okay, so all the blueberries are going to go at the bottom here. Make sure they're nice and even. Okay. After that, then you're going to add your 1/2 teaspoon of your chia seed to each jar. Okay, and then from there, we're going to do 1 more layer of your oatmeal bar. Now you can omit the oatmeal bar if you want to. I used old-fashioned organic rolled oats. I'm going to use about 1/2 square of that one because that one's really big. And then we're going to start the laying process one more time. Again, another 1/4 cup, so we're using about 1/2 cup of the coconut yogurt for each jar. And then after we're done here, we're going to top it with your raspberries. And I use frozen raspberries. You can use fresh raspberries if those are in season where you are. They're not in season here, so that's why I use frozen. And frozen, remember, they pick it at the peak, so that's fine too. There's nothing wrong with frozen. And then if you want, you can add a little bit of your honey or agave and drizzle that on top. If it comes out. Give it a nice squeeze. So I think I'm doing less than 1/8 a teaspoon of honey. And then after that, our finishing touch is your banana. And if you don't like banana, then don't use banana. If there's anything on here that you don't like, just replace it with something else. I'm going to do about 4 chops of banana on each parfait. Okay, place that out and give it 1 more touch of your chia seed for top. And then you're going to put your lids on. And then, oops, you are all done with your baked oatmeal parfaits. These can stay in your refrigerator for 3 to 5 days. All right. So again, subscribe to this channel. This is the very first episode of Healthy Cooking with Coach Natasha. And as always, stay healthy, stay fit, and smile.